Hello my lovely people, and welcome to my channel. As you can already tell from the title, this will be a how and why I went natural video. First off, why I went natural. My hair was creamed and it would not grow. It was stuck. I also had a patch in the back of my head because I sleep on the back of my head a lot. I sleep on my back a lot. So I decided I'm not gonna cream it anymore because it's not growing. So why not just try natural? So I said, all right, let me go natural. I cut it in I think it was March. That's March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and now October. 7 months since I cut it, and it's now at this length. I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah, let me put it in back. The only problem I have with being natural is it's kind of hard to comb. Sorry about the noise. I am actually close to the road, so you'll hear the cars passing by. I'm still at work. So yes, it was hard. It's hard to comb. That's the only problem that I have with being natural. Very hard to comb. I even came to work late this morning because of the hair. It's not even comb. I just wrap something around it and leave it like that. Yes. So when I just cut my hair, you'll see a picture somewhere of my hair when I just cut it. When I just cut it, I started using some oils. I mixed coconut oil with castor oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E oil. Yeah, that's what I use. Mix them together and just put it in my hair, put it in my hair, put it in my hair, put it in my hair. Then when it started to grow to the point where it can kind of plait a little, someone tell me that olive oil treatments are good for natural hair. So I'm like, all right, let me just try some treatments and see how it works. Olive oil treatments did not work for me. It started eating off my hair. So I started using cream of nature. Same thing with cream of nature. It still eat off my hair. A few of them worked, but a few of them didn't work. Then I heard about CANTU products. CANTU products really work for me. They help me a lot. It makes my hair a little bit easier to handle. The comb just slides right through it sometimes when I use the CANTU product. I'll leave it in the description box, the names of the CANTU products that I use. Maybe they won't work for you because people hair types are different. So maybe it won't work for you, but it works. Definitely works for me. Plus castor oil and coconut oil work for everybody. So you can try those out if you just go natural. You can try out those and let me know in the comment what you use in your hair and how it works for you. That's it on how I became natural. I hope you guys like my video. This is actually my first time doing a video on YouTube. I hope you guys like my video. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you guys will get notified whenever I post a video. And please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.